Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. As I've told you that today we're going to do Powerball. I'm happy now. You know, whenever I'm doing Powerball, I always have so much confidence because it will never disappoint. Okay, so with UK49, you guys, you have to consider that previous video. Please go back to that video and check everything. Actually, I don't know. I don't want to mix these things. UK is UK, Powerball is Powerball, but let me just say, keep on with that previous code, and those previous predictions, they're gonna come on time. Okay, but as for now, we're going to be doing Powerball. The last week code was 113. Just doing a small recap. 123 236. So this is what they did. They said 1 minus 13, it gave them a 12. You see, the 12 came as bonus ball, the 11 came inside, and then they said it was, you know, the way they picked their numbers was so amazing, because when I checked, I found out that there's 3 numbers in that code. Because if you add, there's 15. If you subtract, it's 19. 19 did not drop at the bottom there. If you add, it's gonna give you a 38. If you subtract, it gives you 34. But at least the first line gave us something. Okay, but as for today, I'm going to use one blue code and the red code. You know, the red code is a mixture of 2 blue codes, but in a different way. For example, this is our red code for today: 6 and 2 3 6. Then at the end it says 5 2 2. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to say 22 plus 5 is 27. 22 minus 5 is a 17. Those are the first bankers. Then you come here. 36 plus 2 is 38. 36 minus 2 is 34. Those, we have 4 bankers now. Then you go up and say 28 plus 6. That should be 34. So which means 34 is a good banker for us. 28 minus 6 should be 22. Which means 22 and 34, those are good bankers that we can start with. Then when you are done, you come inside here and check. There's 28. You write down on 28. There's 23. Write down on 23. And then the 6, it shows that the 6 appears twice, which means the 6 also can come in at the bonus section. So with Powerball, you don't have to struggle. This is what I have for you guys today as in Powerball. So what I'm going to do now, this is the red code. Let me just do this. So if some of you guys, maybe they know how to break codes, this is the red code. This is the blue code, sorry, 137. And then 149. This is the blue code. Let's write it blue. And then the red code says 286 236 522. So if you look at the blue code, this one, at the bottom there you can see that there is a 49, there is a 14. If you add, it gives you a 50. If you subtract, it gives you a 48. Okay, up there you see that there is a 13, there's a 37, there's a 38, then there is a what, a 20. So guys, me, when it comes to Powerball, I don't play 2 numbers, I play 3 4 5. I know that there's a day whereby these things will come. They'll definitely drop, and when they drop, we're gonna be happy. So yeah, sometimes pure Powerball on the blue codes, they can pick like that 18, they can pick 14, especially on the blue code. But on the red code, you have to add and subtract. On the blue code, you can just pick what you see, 13.7 or 13.20, 13.720. Powerball does that. That is what they normally do in Powerball. So let us maybe do singles. We start with 28, we say 6, and then we say 34. We go down and say 23, 36, then we say 38, 22, and then 5 and a 6. Then we go up there, we're gonna have a 37, we're gonna have a 14, we're gonna have a 49, we have a 50. So a 50 won't drop today. Instead, a 5 will come. Then at the bottom, we've got a 6 and there. So this is for Powerball tonight, guys. Please, I'm hoping for the best for you guys, and don't forget to play 1. One is coming. One must drop today, because last week 37 dropped, and then I see it here on the code, so which means the number that did not drop is 30. So what can I say there? 1 34 22. This is the powerful number in Powerball and Powerball Plus. Remember, Powerball and Powerball Plus is like UK Fortnite lunch and tea. So don't get confused there, please, guys. Because I need you guys to boom today. By fire, by force. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you later on with Mega Million video. Because I'm still cooking Mega Million, but at least I did the Powerball earlier. Thank you very much. So, guys, for those of you still interested in the group or the books, here is the number: 178 126 0741. Thank you very much. I don't know the jackpot for today, how much is it, but it's millions and millions if you boom it.